Sit here first. Let me put him over here first. Don't take pictures yet.
No, I want you to make him laugh. I'm going to record it.
Don't.
Okay, do it. Keep doing it for me. Make him laugh. Come closer. Christian.
I'll get him.
No, come this way and we'll run to him this way. This way. Nope.
I'm serious.
Oh.